Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you. We're going to show you how to make $500 per day online. Yes, you heard it right. $500 every single day from the comfort of your own home. So, if you're ready to learn some money making strategies, let's dive right in. Before we jump into the methods, let's talk about the mindset you need to adopt. Making money online requires dedication, consistency, and the willingness to learn. It's not a get rich quick scheme, but with the right approach, you can build a sustainable income stream. Method one is freelancing. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or even voiceover work, freelancing platforms are a great way to monetize your abilities. Upwork is one of the most popular freelancing platforms, and to get started, you can visit www.upwork.com. On the homepage, click on the Sign Up button and follow the instructions to create your freelancer account. Fill in your profile details, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects relevant to your skills. Additionally, you can explore other freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Toptel to expand your client base. Method number two, affiliate marketing. Have you ever recommended a product or services to a friend and thought, I should get commission for this? Well, with affiliate marketing, you can. One of the well-known affiliate network is Amazon Associates. To sign up, go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com, click on the Join Now for Free button, and follow the steps to create your Amazon Associates account. Once approved, you can search for products to promote and generate your unique referral links. Additionally, there are other popular affiliate networks like Share a Sale, Commission Junction, and ClickBank, where you can find a wide range of products to promote. Method number three, creating and selling online courses. Are you an expert in your field? Why not create an online course and share your knowledge with others? Udemy is a popular platform for online courses, and to get started, visit www.udemy.com, click on Teach on Udemy, and then become an instructor to sign up. Fill in your details, select the course topics you specialize in, and start creating your course content using Udemy's course creation tools. Besides Udemy, you can explore other platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning to reach a broader audience. Method number four, YouTube ad revenue. Speaking of YouTube, did you know that you can make money from the ads displayed on your videos? To get started, you'll need to create a YouTube channel. Go to www.youtube.com and click on the Sign In button. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Once signed in, click on the Create a Channel option and follow the prompts to set up your YouTube channel. You'll need to meet certain requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be eligible for monetization. Once you meet the requirements, you can enable monetization and start earning from the ads displayed on your videos. Additionally, you can explore brand partnership, sponsored contents, and merchandise sale to further boost your earnings. Method number five, e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, starting your own e-commerce business has become increasingly accessible. Shopify is a popular platform for setting up an online store. To get started, go to www.shopify.com and click on the Start Free Trial button. Follow the steps to create your account, choose a theme for your store, and start adding your products. Customize your store settings, set up a payment gateway, and explore marketing options to attract customers. If you're interested in selling handmade or vintage items, you can also consider platforms like Etsy, which specializes in these niches. For those looking to sell on a larger scale, you can explore selling on marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Method number 6, digital products and services. Another great way to make $500 per day online is by creating and selling digital products and services. Gumroad is a platform that enables you to sell digital products directly to your audience. Visit www.gumroad.com and click on the Start Selling button. Fill in your details, choose a username, and set up your payment preferences. You can then upload your digital products, set the price, and start promoting them. If you're into photography, you can also sell your stock photos on platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Method 7, online investments and trading. If you have knowledge and experience in the financial markets, you can explore online investments and trading as a means to make $500 per day. eToro is a social trading platform that allows you to trade various assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and more. To get started, go to www.etoro.com and click on the Join Now button. Fill in your details, complete the verification process, and fund your account. Remember to educate yourself about trading strategies, risk management, and market analysis before you start trading. Other platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, and Binance also offer opportunities for online investments and trading. And there you have it, 7 effective methods to make $500 per day online. Remember, success in these endeavors requires time, effort, and persistence. It won't happen overnight, but with dedication, the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and strategies. Also, let us know in the comments which method you're most interested in trying out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.